It'll stay up. And 1, 2. Oh my God, man. Yo, YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Rell. Yeah, I'm kind of excited today, man. I got a shoe that I really wanted for a really long time since they announced it. Then on top of that, man, we hit 100 subscribers. Let's go, y'all. I don't even know what to call it. Like, man, I started off with like 30 subscribers back in like 2020. I started the channel like 2020 in August. So hopefully we do like a little celebration video or something like that come August. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing but a few months away. But today's video is for unboxing, man. Matter of fact, before we get to the unboxing, I just want to say thank you, and I appreciate everybody that hit that subscribe button, man. Y'all continue to hit that subscribe button. Y'all continue to hit that like button. Let's keep the channel going, man. Let's keep the channel thriving, man. This is a little clap, you know what I'm saying? Pat myself on the back for that. But yeah, so we're just gonna get straight to it, man. Matter of fact, I know my last few videos, I haven't been talking in the camera for so long. You know, I just want to show the little scenic areas. That's what I do on my channel, man. So, just FYI, I do like events in Atlanta. I show off the attractions in Atlanta, and I also love sneakers. Like, that's my heart. But sometimes I do gaming, but I decided, you know what I'm saying, not to upload gaming on my channel. So, I don't know, maybe I do a separate channel for gaming, you know what I'm saying, for all the gamers. But that's my 2 loves in the world, man. My son, actually my 3 loves. First come my son in the world, then I love shoes, you know what I'm saying, then it's gaming, man. So, just with that being said, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. But, so right here is a shoe that I've been wanting for a very, very long time. And it's, well, I won't tell you exactly what shoe it is. I'm gonna just let you guys see, but y'all might know through the thumbnail or whatever. But, yeah, so about this little throwback story. These came out, let me see, when did these come out? When did these come out? I think this came out like last Saturday or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. They sold out on the sneakers app, as you guys can see. Hold on, let me show you. They sold out on the sneakers app. I'm not gonna show you the exact shoe or the name. Maybe you can peep it from right there. They sold out on the sneakers app, but now you guys know. And Soul Links, he dropped the link like 2-3 days ago for Foot Locker. After they had that sold out on all the foot sites, sneakers app, everything. So you know when the restock came, Soul Links dropped the link for the shoe. Like 2-3 o'clock in the morning. By the way, I'm a night owl, so I stay up all night. So my phone going off. Like, dang, what my phone going on? And I check my phone. I was like, oh, okay. These coming out. They restocked on these. So this is a little trick with Soul Links. So when he posts the link on Soul Links on Twitter or Instagram, more likely Twitter, but it said if it's like a link for Foot Locker, don't click on that link. Go to the Foot Locker app and then search for the shoe. It's gonna be the same thing. So that's what I did. I went straight to the app, and then I didn't go through the link. I went straight to the app, and I clicked on the shoe. They was able to buy it, able to purchase it. Got here in like 2 days. I bought these shoes like 2-3 days ago. They never sent me the tracker for it, which was weird. They just showed up at my door. So we're gonna get to it. So this is gonna be my first time seeing this shoe in hand. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Put the box to the side. So you got a Jordan 6 box, as you can see, at the cement around it. We're gonna get straight to it. The label reads Air Jordan 6, black, electric green, size 11.5, as you guys can see. And the retail is $190. So what should I do? Like I do it the classic way, or just give my reaction to look at it? I don't know. We're gonna show y'all at the same time. So hopefully the shoe don't fall out. Get that to stay up. Hold on. stay up. And 1, 2. Oh my God, man. Yo, them clean right there. Them is too clean. Oh man. Oh man. Let's take out my shoe right now. As y'all can see, the Jordan 6 electric green. I don't know if I'm getting it in the camera or not, but hopefully I am. Real close up look to it. Yo, these are clean. And the thing about it is, well, I just found out this translucent outsole, it glows in the dark. So I guess I gotta put the sun on it to put some lightning on there. Let me see what it'll go with this lightning. And it'll kind of glow in the dark a little bit. Yo, these are fire, bro. These are fire, for real. These are too dope. All right, so let's just go over the shoe. As you know, you probably seen this sneaker before. They made the infrared 6s look like this. The UNC 6s look like this. They made the DMP 6s look like this. Basically, with everything is green right here, where you see the green hits, it's either red, blue, gold. They never made an orange before, but all black. And the quality on these, man, they okay. That's pretty. Actually, the quality pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? I'm not really one to trip over quality as long as the shoe look good and it's comfortable. I'm all for it right there. So, man, I'm just amazed, man. Hey, sneakers is, I'm telling you, man, this shoe is dope. Hold on, let me bring out both shoes. Bring out both shoes, and we're gonna go over them real quick. So both shoes together. So let's put one shoe down right here. So the first thing in this shoe that hit you is obviously the green, right? And then you got an all black upper. This is nubuck upper, all black all the way up. Toe box, nubuck. Shoestrings, black, black nubuck. And you got the electric green hits of the Jumpman electric green lace lock with a black Jumpman going around. You got the electric green hits on the side of the midfoot. And then on the back you got the green spoiler. Like I said, this was made off of one of Jordan's cars. I think it was either a Ferrari or something like that, or a Porsche. I'm not sure exactly which car. But this is basically based off a sports car or whatever. But yeah, man, these are pretty dope. And then you got your outsole, you know what I'm saying? You got your electric green Jumpman, all black rubber outsole, then translucent in there too. These are dope, bro. These are dope, man. You know what I'm saying? Just catch that, get a little thumbnail in there. These are too dope, bro. Damn. Man. I see we running on 8 minutes, man. So we're gonna go ahead and end the video, man. Once again, man, thank you for the 100 subscribers. I appreciate it. Y'all keep hitting that subscribe button, and y'all keep hitting that like button. Y'all keep supporting the channel, man. Y'all go ahead and share this video with your family, your friends, everybody. Just appreciate it, man. If you like the energy I'm putting out to the world, man, just keep riding with your boy, and we're gonna keep going, man. It's just, you know what I'm saying, the grind gonna keep going, man. Y'all see that? So everybody stay peaceful, man. Everybody stay patient. Everybody stay blessed, man. And just for the passion, for the people, for the culture. I'll let y'all later, man.